Hello friends, this is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn simplest form. So, when the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1, the fraction is said to be in its simplest form or you can say in its lowest form. ओके जब आप कोई फ्रैक्शन होता है आप उसको सिर्फ 1 से डिवाइड कर पाए न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को, नॉट बाय अदर नंबर, ओनली दे हैव कॉमन फैक्टर 1, नॉट अदर नंबर, सो दे आर इन इट्स लोएस्ट टर्म और सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ 8/12 इज देयर एंड आई हैव टू राइट डाउन इट इन simplest form, so what I will do, to get simplest form I will divide the numerator and denominator by same number. So you have to see 8 and 12 will come in 2 table also and both are coming in 4 table also, so I will divide it by 4 up and down by same number. You will divide numerator and denominator by same number. Okay, so now divide. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2 and 12 divided 4 is equal to 3. Now 2 and 3 will not come in one table, किसी एक टेबल में नहीं आते, only they have common factor 1, so हम इसको सिर्फ 1 से ही डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, not other number, so the same will come, so this is its lowest term or simplest form. Okay, let's take one more example, like I am taking 15/10. Okay, now what I will do, I have to divide the numerator and denominator by same number, so I will check in which table both number will come. 15 and 10 will come in 5 table, so I will divide numerator and denominator by same number. Okay, so 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So this is our answer because 3 and 2 have no common factor other than 1. So it is its simplest form. Now we will solve some questions. The question is reduce these fractions to their lowest term, or here they can say it in simplest term. Simplest term. So both can come in question. They can ask you lowest term or simplest term. Okay. Now this is the question. So first step is you will see both numerator and denominator will come in which table. See 16 and 24 both are even number. So even numbers are divisible by 2. So we will divide the numerator and denominator both by 2. So in 2 table 16 will come, 2 8s are 16. So 8 will come here. If you divide 16 by 2 you will get 8. Okay, and now 24. If you don't know you can divide 24 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 0. Now bring down this 4, 2 2s are 4. So if you will say 12 2s are 24, so here 12 will come. In 2 table 24 will come 12 times. Okay, now is it in lowest term? No, this is not lowest term because 8 and 12 both are even number. So we will do further, we will reduce it further. Now see 8 and 12 again both are even number, so we can divide by 2. Yes, so 2 4s are 8 and 2 6s are 12. Again it is not lowest term because 4 and 6 both will come in 2 table also. So again I will divide this. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Now 2 and 3 both will not come in same table. So they have only common factor 1. So this is its lowest term. This is its lowest or simplest term. So this is our answer. You can do the same question in 1 step, in 2 step, as you choose the table. If you choose small table, you have to do many steps, And if you will see this, 16 and 24 both come in 8 table. If you divide this number directly by 8, so 8 2s are 16 and 8 3s are 24. So same answer will come if you divide this number by 8, up and down, numerator and denominator by 8. So if you want to solve in one step, choose a big table, and if you will divide the numerator and denominator by smaller number, then you have to repeat the steps. Okay, so that is up to you which number you will select. Okay, now here is 27 and 36. Now you will check in which table both 27 and 36 will come. So in 9 table, 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. So you will divide the numerator and denominator both by same number. Okay, so 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. Now this is there. Now 3 by 4 is lowest term, or we can divide it further. 3 and 4 both will not come in any table. In 2 table 4 will come but 3 will not come. ठीक है, तो इसका जो कॉमन फैक्टर है दैट इज ओनली 1. यू कैन डिवाइड दिस फ्रैक्शन बाय 1 ओनली, and we ignore that because if we divide this fraction by 1, same answer will come. So we have to ignore it. Don't divide by 1. Okay, because same answer will come. So this is the answer, lowest term. Okay, so you can do in one step also if you choose big factor, and you can do more step if you are choosing small factors of numerator and denominator. I hope this is clear to you. If this is clear to you, press the like button and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.